Nice little Nissan. Cubert. Great! This is too much fun here. Suburban, look at that, a two-door Suburban. I love it. Cutting through over here. I'll pick up in a couple of minutes. I want to pick up Cubert. This is fun.
You guys didn't get very far. We're waiting for you. No.
That is fun.
Probably not. We're watching all the idiots. Isn't that really nice? Yeah, we're all over. You just don't understand, Ron. You never will.
Let's just see what we got over here. I have to pick up that Chevy. That is nice.
Oh.
Let's do an interview. That is nice. That is nice. What year is this? 67?
67, yep.
Very nice, very nice. What do you have under the hood?
Inline 6.
Cool.
Yep.
Cool. Manual transmission?
300 tree.
Wow, this
Yep.
is beautiful. Just beautiful.
What is this, a 250 or 292?
292. It runs pretty good. Yeah, it runs all right.
Now, stupid question 306.
What?
You didn't need
No.
What'd you do? Weld in the rear doors?
No, they're all like that.
They're all like that.
6772s are all 3 doors.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
That is amazing.
They didn't make a 4-door Suburban till 73.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow. Where did you find this beastie?
Where did I find it?
Yeah.
It actually came out of Texas.
So you got a bag?
No wonder she's solid. Wow. How long have you owned her?
I picked it up over the summer.
Nice find. Nice find.
I didn't know that back seat in it. That's cool.
This is beautiful. Hey, may I take a look at the interior? Can I shoot the interior? Thanks.
Oh, yeah. How much are you?
I'll get it from
Look at all metal. All metal, boys. Looks like a new dash in there. Look at the size of that handbrake. Gosh,
His boy's coming up.
fantastic.
Oh, okay.
You can see the 3 doors right over there. 3 seats. We don't need no stinking headliner. Just a little bit up front.
He's up in Virginia Beach now.
Oh, okay.
He's back to Virginia Beach.
This thing's in good shape.
That's a solid car.
Good God, look at them miles. What about 12 flat tires?
Again, 67 Suburban, 3-door, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Neat. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com. While you're there, post and share your events. I'm going to try to get the tail in. Bear with me a minute. What a workhorse. There we go. Cool beans. Again, 67 Chevy Suburban.